Welcome back. Angie Edge from the Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin joins us to help brighten up your backyard spreads this summer. Angie's in her kitchen. Hi, Angie. What are you working on today?
Hey, great to see you, Mark, virtually. We have a great summer recipe to help you beat the heat and celebrate summer. And it's super easy. It only has 5 ingredients, and you can make it in just a few minutes. And it has some fresh local ingredients as well. So I'm just going to make it up here quick. We have 1 cup of half blackberries, which are very seasonal. Then we're going to add in, it's a fresh berry bruschetta. We have 1 cup of sliced strawberries that add a lot of great color, and I know they're seasonal in Wisconsin too. And then we're going to add some fresh mint. So we have a 1/4 cup of fresh mint that we're going to add. I know a lot of people are growing herbs right now, so again, very seasonal. And then the star ingredient, which you probably want to know, is our 1 cup of Wisconsin gorgonzola cheese. It adds a nice earthy, full flavor to your bruschetta. Also, you have a little red, white, and blue here, so a little patriotic. You're going to basically mix that together in a bowl, and you're going to add a little bit of balsamic glaze as well. That adds a lot of nice flavoring. So you can see how simple it is. Anyone can make it. And then basically you're going to use 24 pieces of a baguette that you've sliced and top it right on top of theirs. So super simple, very easy, fresh, refreshing. And of course, I tell you every time, Mark, but you know that Wisconsin wins more awards than any other state or country for our cheeses. So we're so proud of that. And when you look at the cheese that we're featuring, this one is a local cheese from the Roth cheese. This one placed in the top 20 overall at the World Cheese Championship this spring out of over 3,600 entries. So
Great.
when I'm putting these different cheeses, we're talking about the best cheeses in the world. So
Absolutely. We got to go, Ange. Thank you. The recipe looks good. Go to wisconsincheese.com for more summertime cheese recipes. We'll see you next time.